Welcome to HAD6 channel. In this video, we will look into abrogate. 15 verbs with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Number 1. QUASH, which means reject as invalid, especially by legal procedure. QUASH. For example, the Court of Appeal may quash the sentence. Number 2. ANNUL, which means declare invalid an official agreement, decision, or result. ANNUL. For example, the European Court annulled the decision. Number 3. Void, which means declare that something is not valid or legally binding. Void. For example, the Supreme Court voided the statute. Number 4. Revoke, which means officially cancel a decree, decision, or promise. Revoke. For example, the board has the power to revoke the license of a bank. Number 5. Override, which means use one's authority to reject or cancel a decision, view, etc. Override. For example, the courts will ultimately override any objections. Number 6. Repudiate, which means refuse to fulfill or discharge an agreement, obligation, or debt. Repudiate. For example, breach of a condition gives the other party the right to repudiate a contract. Number 7. Reverse, which means make something the opposite of what it was. Reverse. For example, the damage done to the ozone layer may be reversed. Number 8. Countermand, which means revoke or cancel an order. Countermand. For example, an order to arrest the strike leaders had been countermanded. Number 9. Overrule, which means reject or disallow by exercising one's superior authority. Overrule. For example, Chief Judge Moran overruled the government's objections. Number 10. Rescind, which means revoke, cancel, or repeal a law, order, or agreement. Rescind. For example, the government eventually rescinded the directive. Number 11. Overturn, which means abolish, invalidate, or reverse a previous system, decision, situation, etc. Overturn. For example, The Senate may yet overturn this ruling. Number 12. Repeal, which means revoke or annul a law or act of Parliament. Repeal. For example, the Act was repealed in 1990. Number 13. Nullify, which means make legally null and void. Nullify. For example, judges were unwilling to nullify government decisions. Number 14. Abolish, which means formally put an end to a system, practice, or institution. Abolish. For example, the tax was abolished in 1977. Can you think of other examples? Please share them in the comment section below. Furthermore, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.